With this patient, we were able to restore her smile by giving her a beautiful set of dentures that were held in by some implants. And I think it went a long way into kind of bringing that confidence back to her. My name is Dr. Tehrani. Today we were talking about a case that we did for a patient who was not really happy with her smile and she was ready to make a change. For this particular patient, we use a combination of technology that we have in-house. We use what we call our CBCT, or a three-dimensional scan, to really analyze the bone structure to see where we could place implants for her. We were also able to use our intraoral scanner so that we won't have to use those traditional goop methods. So that was really easy on her and made it a lot more comfortable process. Dr. Barden is a periodontist with many years of experience, myself, a prosthodontist. Together, we've kind of seen everything. So we've been able to collaborate and really provide the optimum treatment plan for our patients.